In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the pen tool in Figma. By the end, you'll feel confident drawing clean lines and custom shapes right on your canvas. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser and head into the file or page where you're working. Give your design a quick look to make sure it's ready for custom paths. Maybe you want to outline an icon, trace a logo, or add a flowing curve that's hard to achieve with basic shapes. Having a clear goal will make the next step smoother. Now, find the pen tool in the top toolbar. The icon looks like a fountain pen nib. You can also use the keyboard shortcut P to switch to it quickly. With the pen tool active, click once on the canvas to place your first point. Each click after that adds another point and creates a straight segment between them. Think of it as connecting the dots to sketch the outline you want. If you need curves, click and drag instead of just clicking. As you drag it, you'll see handles appear. These control the bend of the curve. Longer handles produce smoother, wider curves. Shorter handles make sharper bends. If a segment looks off, don't worry. While you're drawing, you can press backspace to remove the last point and try again. To keep your lines perfectly horizontal, vertical, or at 45-degree angles, hold Shift as you click. When you're done with an open path, press Enter to finish. If you're drawing a closed shape, click back on the first point to close the loop. Closed shapes can have a fill color, while open paths will use only a stroke. You can adjust stroke color, thickness, and end caps in the right-hand properties panel, and toggle fill on or off as needed. These settings help you see your lines clearly as you work and keep your design consistent. After you place your path, select it to fine-tune the points. Move a point to refine the silhouette, or adjust curve handles to smooth things out. If you're tracing something in your design, zoom in for precision and follow the edges slowly. Accuracy matters more than speed. For neat geometric results, stick to straight clicks. For organic shapes, use click and drag to embrace curves. That's all you need to get started. Open your page, confirm your design is ready, choose the pen tool, and start drawing lines or shapes by clicking to create points. Explore, practice, and soon the pen tool will feel like second nature.